Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So today I have my weekly melting basket. I have not done one of these in quite a while. I'm not really sure why. I think for a little bit I was just wanting to go ahead and just pull things out of my area, my wax area, just kind of as I wanted and not be restricted to one basket. So I am making a basket, but I'm not gonna if I want to go in and grab like a clamshell that comes to mind or a scent that comes to mind, I'm just going to go grab it. I'm not going to be like restricted just to this basket. I think that's kind of crazy. I mean, some people can do it, and I tried to pick things that I think I will like and that I'm going to enjoy and want to grab for, but you just never know. So let's go ahead and get started. So this one is Chef Wendell's cinnamon squares. Apple Cinnamon Ice Cream Man Vanilla Wafers from VCS. I've actually warmed this before, and this one is really good. Now this one seems more like a fall scent, but it's also kind of like an all-American type scent because it's kind of like an apple pie, so it's perfect for summer. So I'm gonna go ahead and try to warm through some of that big old honker bag. I also want to try some of this. I don't think I've tried any of this so far. This is Sassy Girl Aroma Ladies in Lavender. It's salty sea air, sweet lavender, toasted marshmallow, and vanilla lace. I'm going to try this for the nighttime. I'm not really, I don't have to melt lavender at night. I can really melt anything. This smells a lot like the salty sea air, sweet lavender, and then just the marshmallow scent. Or was it toasted marshmallow? The one that she was really popular for a few years back. But I think she just tossed in some vanilla lace to kind of change it up. So I also grabbed some Tidy Whities. This is All Washed Up, Downy Blue, and Coin Wash. This one, so tomorrow, either tomorrow or Friday, I'm starting up my, what do I want to call it? It's kind of like my spring cleaning, but it's it's not spring. I already did a spring cleaning, but I'm going to go back and redo what I did before. I do that several times throughout the year. I don't believe in just one big spring clean. I kind of do it in, I guess maybe you would call it quarters, possibly. But I need to do that again, and so I'm trying to pull some clean scents, or this one too is Clean Cotton Clacus, or Calicus, however you say it. Sass Girl Aroma. I've had this one for a while, so I want to see how this one does. Oops, I don't know why that went out of focus so bad. Ooh, hey. Come back. I don't know what's happening there. Okay. I don't know about you guys, summertime is the time to relax and chill out and stuff. I have 50 things on my to-do list. Making videos is not one of them, especially wax videos, is the least of my concern right now. I've got a huge to-do list, and I should not be here right now. But anyways, this is what I enjoy doing. I enjoy making videos, and this is kind of my relaxation thing. I like watching videos, and I like making them as well and talking about wax. So it's kind of I guess you need to kind of take a break, but I've been on break for 2 days. My husband was off, and we had a day date, and then we planted yesterday. We did some planting of flowers and stuff. So that's always good times. You know you're getting older when a good time is the Home Depot. So Supermoon, this one, I've gotten through most of the bag. There's only 2 or 3 things in here. This is Funnel Cake. I can't even read my own handwriting. That's how bad it is. Cinnamon Sugar Donuts, Marshmallow, Blackberry Jam, Whipped Cream. This one has been kind of funny for me, so I don't know. We'll see. Also, the other thing is too, is I'm backlogged on videos. So whenever I'm backlogged on videos, I'm just I want to bust them out so that I can get them up. But at the same time, I'm just just wait, you know, because it's the last thing, on my list should be making videos, you know, versus other things I need to be doing. But I have ideas for a few new things I want to do, but I have this video, and then I have warm reviews, which should be pretty fast because I haven't been warming a ton. And then I do have a haul, and then I think I have another haul coming tomorrow. I have a few hauls coming, but it doesn't matter. Hazelnut Marshmallow Fluff Lattes. This is crushed hazelnuts, loads of sweet, fluffy marshmallow, caramel, and coffee. I have a ton of Sassy Girl coffee, so I really need to start warming coffee in the morning again. I kind of got out of the habit of doing that. clamshells, I grabbed some of my favorites from Bathing Garden because I had just made an order. Where's that shadow from? I don't know. Okay, anyways, I have Big Top Lemonade, which is one of my favorites. I need to see if I have another one of these because I don't think I ordered from the last clowning around. I didn't order from the last circus collection. I didn't order any more Big Top Lemonades. I don't know why. I figured I had like 2 or 3, so I was like, don't do it. I also reordered Calypso, so I feel like I can use this now. This one is so beautiful. The scent and just the inside. I almost hate busting up her clams because they're so pretty. Then I also have Ooh La La, which is, it's funny, when I pulled this one out, I literally thought that was a spider, but it's just part of her topping. I think it's might actually be like vanilla bean pods, like crushed or something. This one I feel like might be a Lush dupe. It's vanilla cream, white floral, and rich tonka bean. So it could be vanilla-y from Lush, maybe something like that. I'm not sure, but that one smells pretty good. It's not one of my favorites, I don't think, but I'm gonna have to get on a warmer. I also reordered another Venetian Spa. This is another one of my favorites. It's so unique. I don't have a description. Oh, but this one just smells so clean and fresh. When you read the description on the site of this one, it sounds really weird because it has like an olive cress, fresh olive cress. I can't remember what else, but it just, it's one that I like to keep on hand. I'll probably try to order a second one so I have 2 for next year because that's the only one I have. And then I just have a random thing of Starlight Soda Pop. So I just thought, you know, let's just use that guy up for the heck of it. Okay. So I did grab some, I have one more. This is out of my D-Stash bucket, like one that I got from a D-Stash. This is Blackberry Fudge from the Bathing Garden. I just kind of pulled it. I've been trying to pull things out of like different bins that I have. Like I have a D-Stash bin where I have all my D-Stash stuff that I've got from D-Stashes. I don't know if I like that one or not, but I'm going to give it a go. This one I have chilled raspberry lemonade. Now this one on cold does not smell very strong at all, but these things, when you get them going, they tend to kick some butt. So we're going to try that one and see how it does. I also have Red Lava Citrus, which is kind of a grapefruit smelling one. This one is amazing. I really like this one. What I'm going to do with this one is I'm going to mix it with saltwater taffy. So also what I'm doing as well is I'm trying to grab some mini melters because I have a ton and I need to be trying to use them up. So I'm going to try and use these 2 together. I had a persimmon and saltwater taffy from Super Tarts, and that combination just worked out really good. So I'm going to use that with this guy just to see how it goes. I want to try to find some other mixes with saltwater taffy, but I'm not like 100% sure like what all I'm going to mix with that. So Island Coconut Lime, this one is a really great one. It's a clean smelling one to me. I don't know, I want to get this on a warmer to see how it smells, but I feel like it's a good cleaning day scent. Also, I have Sun Drenched Linen from Sasha. We were going to do a trade, and then she ended up finding the scent that I had found for her, so the trade never happened, but she ended up sending me this anyways with a really nice random act of kindness, so I'm excited to get this one on. I feel like this one is hard to tell what's going on in there because it's so strong in the clamshell. I mean, it's either going to be really powerful, like I feel like half a cube is probably going to do it with this one, but I feel like this one will be a good one to mix with like some sort of fruit too, to kind of tone that down because it is like super strong. Alright, so then I also grabbed Blackberry Rainbow Sherbet Lemonade. Yeah. Okay, so this one is another one that I was like, this is a summertime scent. It's kind of a lemonade scent. You know, again, trying to use up some mini melters, so I grabbed that as my second option. My third option that I grabbed is Simply Amazing Bakery. I saw Wax Obsessed Forever. Is it Ariana? Sorry if I'm mispronouncing your name. She had this on her Instagram. I'm like, why haven't I tried that? The scent note sounds so good. It's hot apple pie, baked zucchini bread, and cookies with pink sugar. I think she said she was sad that she had almost used it up. So, oh, that one does smell good. Oh man. I like pink sugar with, she has another one that's like with, it's pink sugar and monster cookie, possibly. That's another great one that I really like. Oh, Save the Drama for Your Mama, that's what it's called. So I grabbed a few things I have like that I purchased from a D-stash a bazillion years ago. This is Tally Me Banana. Sorry. Tally Me Banana from VCS. And it just like, sometimes I know when like, I mean, because I have D-stash stuff too that just looks like crap. I mean, after you've had it for a while or even like a year, it can get smudgy on the thing, but I just always feel like these older bags just always look crappy. So I'm gonna try to use that one. And then I have this 5 Families. This is sugar cookies, whipped cream, birthday cake, vanilla wafers, and cannolis. I don't know if I love 5 Families or not. I feel like I warmed it before. It's just really sweet, so I might have to try to maybe mix something with it to kind of like chill it out or something, but I don't know. The next one I have is a steampunk cupcake from Scentsy Scents. This is citrus lemon and whipped cream, cactus, and sea salt over pour. So I rebagged these in here, even though I made a mess trying to get them in these bags. That one just smells like a clean scent, so I was like, I'll try that guy out. Even though it's, you know, I mean, it's been a couple months now, so. All right, almost done. This is kind of odd, but I only have a couple cubes of pumpkin sugar donut. I have a huge bin of fall scents that I pulled last year for fall, and I barely made a dent in it. So my goal is to try to kind of work through that bin, even though it's not in season. I don't know, I'm just gonna mess around with this scent. I don't love it, so I don't really feel like I have to like hang on to it for any sort of reason, you know, for next fall or whatever. I also have Kissing You from VCS. It's strawberry shortcake, strawberries and cream, and whipped cream. And I just thought this one sounded like a, yeah, this one's a good fresh picked strawberry. I've been having bad luck with Kirby's strawberry scents. Them smelling like off to me. So I did de-stash some strawberry scents because some people do like the artificial strawberry, or to them I think it smells not artificial, but to me it smells artificial is what I'm trying to say. I'm not trying to make anyone feel bad and be like, yeah, that artificial strawberry, because some people think it smells fine, just not my nose for whatever reason. So I also grabbed Empire Alchemy, sticking with kind of like cleaning theme, blue agave and gain. I have Moon and Stars, which is toasted pistachio, blueberry cobbler, Peeps ice cream scoop bread. And then I have Time After Time, which is sparkling grapefruit, lime, raspberries, and bubbles. This one will be perfect tonight after making BLTs for dinner, so that'll be a good one to to warm after that, because it's like super, like kind of fizzy. So, oh, and then I have Deep Sea Slumber. I'm going to go ahead and try one of her scent shots in my bigger space, because I've been trying her stuff in like my kitchen area, which is sometimes hard to get a throw in my kitchen, but her stuff has been doing really well. So I want to give this a try in my bigger space to see how it does. I mean, I'm only using a third. I'm using all 3 parts of the scent shot, but I'm cutting it into thirds. So this Golden Willow waxes. Luna does her laundry. These will be like perfect like bathroom melts. They're the small size. I love Golden Willow waxes. I kind of like, I haven't warmed through a lot of her stuff, but what I have I really like. So this is Corey Clean's House. So there you can see the scent descriptions there. This is Laundry on the Line. So that's kind of what it is. Red berries, sun-dried laundry, woods, and grapefruit. And then also Winter Duvet, which is clean laundry and fresh cotton. So yeah, I think that is did I grab everything? I think I did. So that's pretty much what I'm going to be warming for the next week or so. That one smells good. Like I said, I'm just going to try to work through this stuff, which is not that much. I usually my bags that I pull are freaking huge. So I'm like, try to like rein yourself in a little bit and pull a reasonable amount that you might be able to work through. Because my warm reviews, I mean, I don't ever feel are that big anyways. Not like some people. Ariana. I really enjoy watching her videos. She has like 40-minute warm reviews. It's great. So yeah, so that is my basket. I hope to have some other videos up this week as well. Just some, I'm gonna try to do like the new thing I want to do to try out and see how that goes or how I like it. And also, like I said, I have a warm reviews and then my quickie vendor review and then my collab with Angie and then probably a haul or two. And then, did I already say my warm reviews? I can't remember. And then I also have a couple videos like backlogged on my computer that I just need to hit public. So yeah, so I have a bunch to do. It's like kind of funny when you have all these ideas like circulating in your head of like what you want to do, but you just don't have time to execute them. And yeah, I wish I had time to just like wax all day. Which sounds weird. Sounds like you're like eating a Brazilian or something, but you know what I mean. But anyways, thank you guys so much for watching. If you are interested in any like specific reviews of anything that you see here, I'll pay special attention like when I'm warming them. But for the most part, I mean, I'll come back and do, like I try to do warm reviews on everything I warm. So, okay, thank you guys so much for watching. I always appreciate it, and I'll see you in my next video. Okay, bye guys.